Yo, what's up, crypto fam? Let's talk about something serious: security. Specifically, is your crypto safe on Newton? This is a question that's been buzzing around the cryptosphere, and for good reason. We're diving deep into it today. Now, I know what you're thinking. Crypto is volatile, risky, and honestly, a bit scary. But let's face it, the potential rewards are huge. So, if you're going to take the plunge, you want to make sure your hard-earned crypto is locked down tighter than Fort Knox. That's where Newton comes in. They claim to be a safe haven for your digital assets. But is it really true? Let's break it down. First off, what makes a crypto exchange safe? It's not just about fancy websites and slick apps. It's about security measures, regulations, and trust. Think of it like choosing a bank. You want a place that's not only secure, but also has your back. So, does Newton fit the bill? Well, they boast about their security features. Cold storage, for instance, is a big deal. It's like keeping your cash in a safe deposit box. Most of your crypto is offline, making it harder for hackers to steal. Nice. But let's not get carried away. Cold storage is just one piece of the puzzle. What about hot wallets? Those are the online ones. They're convenient but also riskier. Newton says they have top-notch security measures for their hot wallets too. But let's be real, no system is completely foolproof. Then there's insurance. Newton claims to have insurance coverage for your crypto. That's a good sign, right? It shows they're taking precautions. But let's be clear, insurance doesn't guarantee you won't lose your money. It's just a safety net. So, what about hacks and scams? We've seen plenty of those in the crypto world. Newton says they have robust security protocols to prevent hacks. But again, the crypto industry is a prime target for cybercriminals. It's like playing cat and mouse. Now, let's talk about regulations. This is a crucial aspect of crypto safety. A regulated exchange is like a licensed bank. It's held to higher standards. Newton operates in a regulated environment. That's a plus. But regulations can also be a double-edged sword. They can slow things down and add bureaucracy. So, is Newton safe? Well, it's definitely safer than some other exchanges out there. But let's be honest, no crypto exchange is 100% risk-free. The crypto world is still the Wild West. Here's the bottom line: do your own research. Don't just take my word for it, or Newton's for that matter. Look into their security measures, read reviews, and understand the risks. And remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversification is also key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your crypto across different exchanges and wallets. And for the love of all things crypto, enable two-factor authentication. It's like an extra lock on your digital door. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there, crypto fam.